The first command is under the event. The event category, the first one is when green flag clicked. And then under this block, you can put all the things that you want this character to do when this green flag is clicked. Take example, we want then this cat to move to 0, 0. And we click, then it move to 0, 0. When we want them to move to 100 and y equal to 0, then move to here. And you also can see the value keep changing here. Let's say I want this character to be moved into this location in the beginning. And I want him to point to this direction. And I click. See, it changed to this direction, this 180-degree direction. And I can change that to here as well. Right. I can change that to 0 as well. Let's move to 90. Okay. And then what I want him to do, I want him to play a song. Okay, let's see what happened. Oh, he played a song. It's meow song. Okay, and then what we want him to do, we want him to move 200 steps. Okay, and how to move 200 steps? We just add this block, and then hey, move 200. See what happened? Oh, he moved from here to here, and you see the x is keep changing. Originally it's minus 100, now it's plus 100, right? And then we say, hey, I want you to take a turn. I want you to turn 90 degrees. How we can do that? We can change here and say 90. And see what happens. He can move to the, he came here after move 200 and then 90 degrees to here. Okay. And let's say that I want this character to keep doing that. Move to here and then play a song and then move here and then take another 90 degrees. Right? I can do that, right? I just duplicate, right click and duplicate. Yeah. So let's see what happens. Let's move here. So if I want this cat to keep moving to here and then moving back to the original position, what I can do, I can duplicate, right? See, let's play again. Yeah, so you see that they move from here to here to here to here and then come back. That's great, right? But it seems a little odd, right? Because I kind of duplicate the same step again and again and again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 times. You see that's the same command, right? So what we can do, how we can improve this program. Okay. Let me introduce another command here. This means when space keep pressed. So you will, if you click the space, this will be triggered. Okay. And let's say I want this part to be here, okay? and then I want this part. Okay, so he will move here, right? And I'm going to introduce a new command called repeat. So what I can do is here, and then I ask him to repeat 4 times. So you can see that what is the difference between these two. This, we need to repeat the command again and again 4 times. And here, in the left hand side, you just tell the system, hey, I want you repeat the command here 4 times. And then they will do that for you. I click the space, you see, and then I tried it to click the green flag. It's the same thing, right? Let me click the space and see, you see it again. They are doing the exactly same command, but the difference here is in the left hand side, I use a repeat instead to create a lot of the command block. Yeah. So this is the another one. So let's do another thing. Let's say like when I do this movement, right? I want the cat to like walking. It's right now. It look like it's just jumping from here to there, and it's not that elegant, right? So what I'm going to do, I am going to do something interesting, and that is things called next costume. Okay, and I'm going to move. So I only move 2 steps, and then I change to next costume, and I repeat 100 times. So what this mean? This means totally I still move 200 steps, right? But in this 200 steps, when I move each 2 steps, I change a costume to next one. So what is costume here? You see? So this costume, next costume, next costume, next costume. Yeah. So I'm going to use this one to replace this move 200 step. Okay. So let's move this out and put this here. And then I'm going to add this back. Okay. So basically, this move 200 step here, it basically just be replaced by this repeat 100 loop. Okay. And let's see what happens. Does that look better than the original version? Yeah, because now you use the costume, right? You keep changing, and that look like animation. Yeah. Okay, and next one, I'm going to introduce another command. So in the beginning, he will say hello, in the end, he will say goodbye. Okay, let's see what happened. Hello? Great. And next one, I'm going to introduce another new command. What is new command for? What I'm going to do is I'm going to let the cat ask how many times you want me to repeat. Okay, now we put it 4, right? 4 here. And our improvement is let the system ask how many times you want me to repeat. And then user input the times. And then the cat will repeat the times according what the user told us. So we just say how many times, and then we put the answer here. And if you click here, then the answer will show up here. Okay. So let's do that. See what happens. Hello. How many times? We say 6 times, and then we click return. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and down, and say goodbye. Right. So now you have that idea how to use the input. This is input and output to do the things that you want them to do.